My video will help you to remove the ransomware called XiN. This XiN ransomware is from the Xorist family. My video is solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will show you how damaging the ransomware is, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can remove the ransomware and how you can protect your files. So you have just clearly seen that before the ransomware's attack, we were able to open our files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and all other data. Sadly, regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular XiN ransomware may be very easily injected into the system, and then very soon users just realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts files and appends a special XiN extension to the file names. As a consequence, the files will be no longer accessible. The ransomware tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Do not waste your money and do not pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use a special software called Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get through either of your available browsers. The page you need to go to is this, combocleaner.com. So go here, download Combo Cleaner, install the application, and then once it is successfully installed, start carefully researching your computer. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will definitely help you to detect and then eliminate all other types of threats which could still possibly stealthily remain on your computer. So use Combo Cleaner to remove this ransomware and to get rid of all other types of threats. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.